Okay, today I've got my go-to dressing, salad dressing. It's a cashew garlic dressing. Super simple. I mean, how many ingredients do I have in here? Let's see. I've got a total of 5 ingredients. Now, you could add a little more if you want to. For instance, you could add some mustard if you wanted like a honey mustard type dressing. I'm leaving the mustard out. I like it sweet and it still has that garlic taste and super good. So what I have here is 1 cup of soaked raw cashews. I soak them overnight and then I rinse them, okay? So that's 1 cup in there. I've got a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now, you can play with this recipe too, according to your tastes. You know, the lemon juice and the sweetener, you have to adjust to find that perfect balance. I remember when I first made it, it was too tangy. I had 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, you could use 2, but you're going to have to put in more sweetener to balance it out. Now, I like the honey. This is raw, unfiltered honey. I get it at Costco. And I know it's not vegan, but I like honey and I think it's okay. I've got some date syrup. This also comes from Costco. That's good. You could use that as a sweetener. Or maple syrup. So you've got your choice. If you don't want to use the honey, use the date or the maple syrup. So far, I've got the cashews, I got the lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic. Okay, that goes in there. And then I'm going to put in maybe let me see, that's about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. And then I'm going to add some water. I've got a cup of water here. You may, anywhere from 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water. So, whoops, that's about 1/2 the cup. And let's blend that up and see what we get. Oh man, that looks fantastic. Take a look at this. That stuff is so creamy. It's got that garlic taste. It's got the honey in there or the maple syrup, date syrup, whatever you want. And the lemon juice. So you got a little tang and you've got some sweet. And basically that is it. It's so simple. 5 different ingredients. If you wanted to add 6 for, mustard, you could add a little mustard. But this is my go-to dressing. Now, it's got a lot of fat because that's a cup, but this is for my wife and me. So, and we can use this 2 nights maybe. So you don't need a lot, and if you want it less thick, I could have more volume if I put this other 1/2 cup in. I'm going to do that. All right, the other 1/2 cup of water's in there. Let me go a little more, and that way I'm going to have more volume on the dressing. Oh yeah, it's still, now it's, more of a liquid type dressing, but I have so much more that will last us, hopefully a couple of nights. And remember, I don't do the fats every night. This is every third night, maybe. You know, every third night, because if your fat consumption is too high, it's going to have a negative effect on your health. So the reason I like salad dressings so much is because you have to dress for success. A salad is usually only as good as the dressing. Okay, so, and you know, I call myself a fruitarian, but I recognize the importance of vegetables, you know, because fruits are the main source of fuel that I use for my diet. And fruits are the highest foods and vitamins on the planet. But the highest foods on the planet in minerals are vegetables. So I want to have a big salad every night. And leafy greens take center stage. That's the main thing I want to get in there, a lot of leafy greens. So I'm using red leaf, green leaf, romaine. Those are my main 3 lettuces that I love, and I grow my own here. So, and then you can add your tomatoes, cucumbers, your broccoli, your sprouts, your peas, your corn, whatever you want to add. And so remember that you gotta get the leafy greens. They have the protein, the minerals. You know, fruits have protein also, and it's not like we're eating the leafy greens solely for protein. No, it's the minerals, okay, that really balance us out and keep us on a nice, even keel. So give that dressing a try. I'm sure you're going to like it. All the best. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. And fruit up. Take care.